My name is Jeff Morton, and I'm an artist here at the Children's Festival in the hands-on art tent. And what I've brought for this tent is an interactive sound installation entitled All the Horses. It's a piece that's built out of recycled and repurposed electronic children's toys.
Now listen. Oh, here. That's the horse. Is that what a horse says?
There's levels that are kind of complicated, but then on the surface it's also quite simple. It's a chance to push these buttons and get unexpected sounds, which is a little bit different than the original intention of these toys. And I remember picking up these toys at Value Village or other used clothing shops, or finding them in the trash, and I was really struck by how uneducational they were. To push a button and to create a masterpiece. It's not really a positive educational message. Masterpieces take more work than just pushing a button. So I wanted to crack these toys open and create something that's not as obvious. When you push a button, it's not a masterpiece. It's unexpected, it's unusual, and it's a chance to use your ears to explore this new soundscape.